Imagine waking up to a world that's changed forever. What if an apocalypse was imminent and survival was the only game left to play? Picture a world where the familiar is now foreign, where every step you take could be a matter of life or death. This isn't a plot for a sci-fi thriller. This is a potential reality, and the question is, are you prepared? The importance of having a survival plan cannot be overstated. In such a world, a well-thought-out safety protocol becomes your lifeline. At the top of our survival hierarchy sits securing a safe shelter. This is the first task, to find a place that shields you from the elements, protects you from potential threats, and provides a base from which to operate. Next in line is ensuring a consistent source of food and water. It's not enough to just find food and water, you must be able to store and preserve food for long periods. As for water, knowing how to purify it is as vital as finding it. Then we come to personal health and hygiene. In an apocalyptic world, a minor infection could turn deadly. Keeping clean, maintaining basic hygiene, and having a basic knowledge of first aid can prevent illness and disease. Finally, communication and information are vital. You need to stay informed about the situation, know where the danger zones are, and potentially connect with other survivors. Remember, in a world turned upside down, these priorities could make the difference between life and death. Surviving an apocalypse is no small feat. It requires planning, resourcefulness, and above all, a will to live. We've discussed the vital aspects of survival, establishing a safe haven, securing sustainable food and water supplies, prioritizing health and maintaining hygiene, and the necessity of staying informed. Each aspect is a cog in the machinery of survival, none less important than the other. In the face of the apocalypse, the best weapon is preparedness. So, start today, because tomorrow might be too late.